Screwless outlet covers provide a sleek, modern appearance by completely hiding mounting screws. This creates a clean, uninterrupted look that enhances your home's overall aesthetics. Screwless outlet covers use a clever two-part design. The first part is a subplate that mounts to the electrical box using traditional screws. The second part is a decorative cover plate that snaps onto the subplate, hiding all the mounting hardware. These covers are compatible with standard duplex receptacles and rocker light switches with rectangular faces. However, they may not work with outlets that have round faces or traditional toggle switches. Modern screwless outlet covers often include enhanced safety features. Many include tamper-resistant designs that prevent children from inserting objects into outlets. Some also feature antimicrobial surfaces that help reduce germs and bacteria. Before working with any electrical outlet, safety must be your top priority. Always turn off power at the circuit breaker and use a voltage tester to confirm the outlet is completely de-energized before beginning any installation work. Before beginning installation, safety is paramount. Turn off the power at the circuit breaker and use a voltage tester to confirm the power is completely off. Remove the existing wall plate by unscrewing it. Then separate your new screwless cover into its two main components, the subplate and the decorative cover plate. Understanding your electrical receptacle is important. The mounting strap holds the device to the electrical box, and you may need to work around it when installing the subplate. Install the subplate by aligning it with the electrical box and securing it with screws. For outlets and switches, you may need to loosen the device's mounting screws. Slide the subplate behind the mounting strap, then retighten. Finally, snap the decorative cover plate onto the subplate. Start from one side and press firmly along the edges until you hear it click into place. The plate should sit flush and secure. After installation, turn the power back on at the circuit breaker and test the outlet or switch to ensure proper function. Remember that a flat wall surface is essential for proper subplate mounting.